My name is David Giffoni. I'm an associate at SBLM.
My name is Anthony Kohler. I'm the director of design. I've been with SBLM for 11 years. SBLM takes a lot of pride in not having a specific style. For that reason, we bring something individual to every job. We work with a lot of sophisticated clientele that has experience designing things. We're a good fit for those type of clients.
When we were approached by Bob to design the office and the showroom space, we were really enamored by the fact that we were going to build this office within a warehouse. So immediately we kind of thought about maximizing the heights and just the overall volume of the space.
So much glass, so much depth, the ability to have the beauty of the product come through. We wanted everything shown in its best possible setting, which of course worked very much to the interest of ModernfoldStyles.
ModernfoldStyles has the best installers. All the product is meticulously put together, and it shows. It's displayed that way.